How this is how we type for mass communication. Here I'm again with another video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can translate anything that you are saying to any foreign language while you're traveling to a foreign country. You don't know their language, how you can translate anything from your language to a foreign language. For example, you can do very fast in your iPhone 16 Pro Max, 15, whatever version you have. In this case, you have to slide down from corner. You have to come to this screen. Okay. Now tap here to add a new icon here. Hit here. So now search, tap here Translator. You see here Translator. Click this one. So Translator is here. Is done. Okay, now slide down, you click this one. How I can go to the center? Is written in Spanish, ¿cómo puedo ir al centro? You can listen.
¿Cómo puedo ir al centro?
Perfect, good, very easy. Now, you want to add many language or you want to change the language. For example, in my case, my phone automatically detected Spanish. So how you can change to another language? You come to here, you have to find what is this application is Translate. Should appear in your phone. Go inside. You see English to Spanish. In this case, we have to change. For example, I'm traveling to Germany. Tap here in language option. It will appear different language. For example, German. I click this one. So English to German. Now I close this one. Now I come here. I slide. Tap this one. Hey, how can I go to the city center? See, is written in German. First time it may not read, then second time yes.
Wie kann ich ins Stadtzentrum kommen?
I don't know it's correct in German or not, but I think yes, because English is written, hey, how can I go to the city center? So this is the way you can add Translator for traveling any language you want in your iPhone 16 Pro Max or any other version of Apple device. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then, bye.